S&P near record highs, but look beneath the hood. After index in one lane, that's misunderstood. Profitable companies, cash flow in the books, but nobody's buying cause they ain't got the AI looks. Healthcare, financials, consumer brands ignored. Sold down to decade lows while their earnings roared. Nick Sleep called it the anti-bubble play. Good businesses at bargains, lost in the fray.
Anti-bubble, get ready to rumble. Anti-bubble, it's time to double.
Spot the profit monsters, dodge the pretenders. The crowd's chasing AI, but we're picking contenders. BMI 7, unmask the real from the fake. Uncover forgotten gems, that's the move we make. Collect on options when the charts grind sideways. Crack the big boys code in the manipulation maze. 4-strike bar, profit box, watch the trades come alive. 3 mentors, 1 event, this is where you thrive.
Anti-bubble, get ready to rumble.